The number of chiral carbons present in the molecule given below is. I know many people must be, sir, this is tough. It is not tough, fine. Have patience, look at the carbons, believe you me, you can very easily get the answer. See, first of all, to help you out, none of these carbon in the ring will be chiral. First cheat, okay, fine. Can this carbon be chiral? No. Why? Because there are 3 hydrogens. So, forget about this part, forget about this part, forget about this part, CH3, forget about this part, this carbon. It is bonded to 4 different groups? Yes. So, this is one chiral carbon. Good. Now, let us come to this carbon. On one side you have got this group, on one side you have got this group, one hydrogen and this. So, yes, this carbon is also a chiral carbon. This carbon is also a chiral carbon. Okay, now let us look at this carbon. So, 1, 2, 3 different groups with hydrogen. Yes, this is also chiral. This carbon is having 2 hydrogens. No, this is also having 2 hydrogens. This is also having 2 hydrogens. This is also having 2 hydrogens, right. So, the next one, if you check this one, yeah, it is bonded to different groups. So, this carbon is also chiral carbon, right. So, which else can be chiral? Why not look at this carbon? Yeah, see this carbon bonded to 3 different groups. Yes, so this is also chiral. So, in total how many carbons are chiral? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. What all I am doing? I am just checking where there are 4 different groups. That is it, my dear friends, nothing. See why this is not chiral? You see, because over here there are 2 hydrogens, over here there are 2 hydrogens, same way there are 2 hydrogens, same way there are 2 hydrogens, here 2 hydrogens, here you will be having 3 hydrogens, right. Now, see, it is easy or not? The problem is whenever we see such a structure, we just feel afraid, oh my God, it's a big structure. And I, you know what, many students start thinking, what is the IUPAC name of this? I do not know why. There is no need for it, okay. So, a simple question, all you have to do was count the number of chiral carbons, the answer is 5. But yes, I will call it psychologically a tough question, because the moment you see it, you feel afraid, okay. The next question, the mass of gas adsorbed X, adsorption, second question from surface chemistry, and people do not study it, surprising. See, you should study each and every chapter is important. So, the mass of gas adsorbed, that is given to be X, per unit mass of adsorbate M was measured at various pressures P. A graph between log x by m and log p gives a straight line with a slope equal to 2, okay, and the intercept equal to this, fine. So, the question is asking us to plot a graph. So, we know very well that x by m is equal to k p raised to power 1 by n, where average pressures are being taken. If I take a log, I get log x by m is equal to log of k plus 1 by n log of p. So, this is y, this is c, this is m and this is x. So, you are plotting a graph between log of x by m and log of p. Now, what is the slope given to you? The slope is given to be equal to 2. So, which means that the value of 1 by n is equal to 2, okay, and log k is the intercept, the value is given to be 0.4771, but they have also given log 3 is equal to 0.4771. So, it is very simple, it means that the value of k is 3, because log of k is log of 3, which is 0.4771. So, k is given to you, 1 by n is given to you. What are they asking? Let us see what are they asking. They are asking the value of x by m at a pressure of 4 atmosphere. Okay. So, we have to basically put the values in this formula, that is it. Let us put it up. So, x by m, okay, what is the value of k? 3. What is the value of pressure P? That is 4. And what is the value of 1 by n? This is 2. You see, even in such questions, I have seen people doing silly mistakes. 1 by n is given to be 2. People think n is 2. So, they write 1 by 2 over here, right. Do not do such a mistake, okay. So, what is the answer? Tell me. When we are given x by m is equal to k p raised to power 1 by n, this is 3 into 4 and the square of 4. So, we are getting the answer as 48. right. So, dear friends, this was all about the detailed solution of the chemistry paper morning session 2nd September. So, I hope you guys have enjoyed this session. All the best.